Hey everyone, welcome back to Ruthvik's Google Ads classes. Today we are talking about quality score in Google Ads, one of the most important factors that affects your ad performance and cost. So quality scores determine how relevant your and useful your ad is to users. A higher score means lower cost and better ranking. Yes, if you have a good quality score, Google automatically detects less money. This is the advantage of this quality score, and it gives you better ranking, high quality leads, and very good way your ad will be performance. So in this video, we'll cover what quality scores and why it matters, the key factors that affect quality score, how to improve it for a better ad performance. So let's get started. So what is quality score in Google Ads? So quality score is a rating between 1 to 10 that Google assigns to your keywords based on ad relevance, click-through rate, and landing page experience. It directly affects your ad rank and cost per click. So why quality score is important? Because it lowers cost per click, it gives higher quality score, means cheaper clicks. It improves ad positions without increasing bids. Yes, you get absolute top, absolute always on the page when you have a good quality score. It ensures better user experience and higher conversions. Basically, quality score is like in a playing 11. If we have Virat Kohli, he is very experienced and very we know very good about Virat Kohli, how he plays and everything. So I'm very interested selecting this player into my team rather than selecting any. So this is the main point of quality score in Google Ads. So the formula of Google Ads of quality score is ad rank is equals to bid into quality score. So a higher quality score can beat competitors with highest bids. Yes, it's possible. To search quality score factors, we need ad relevance. The ad's title and description should contain the keyword that match search intent. The click-through rate should be higher, means you should find your users useful ad, which people should go to the ad. It should have good heading, good description, good landing pages, experience. That should in that landing page it should have load fast. It contains keyword naturally like 1% of keyword density, and it should be mobile friendly as well. So how to improve quality score? So we need to optimize ad copy, use relevant keywords in headlines and descriptions, improve click rate, add compelling CTAs, and use ad extensions. We need to enhance landing pages, fast load time, keyword presence, and better user experience. So myth and reality about the quality score. The myth is bidding higher always rank your ads better, but no. Reality is a high quality score can rank your ad above competitors even without a lower bid. So if you have low budget and you need to increase your position, so quality score comes into the factors where you can do this happening. So focusing on quality score is equals to better ranking, lower cost, and higher return on investment. So in this comment section, please let me know what is CTA. So let's get started. Like I'll show you where you can check the quality score. So go to Google Ads account, go to campaign, click on campaign. In the campaign, you can see columns. In columns, click on modify columns, and you have custom columns, or you can search here. Okay, quality score is shown only to the keywords. So let's go to the keywords. It's for responsive search. Keywords, we go to columns because we each keyword has a different type of quality score. So yes, this is the quality score I'm selecting and apply. And let's see if yes, we got option over here. Quality score at my ad did not run, so every thing as a 0. If it's dash, it means quality score is 0. If it's ranking, it will be shown 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 10 by 10. If it's 10 by 10, you are a perfect digital marketer. Yes, to know the quality of digital marketing, so you can select, you can see the process of the quality score, how much it's been defining. And this is all about the quality score. Thank you. Thank you for watching my videos daily. Please like, share, and subscribe to my videos. Thank you.